What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with a mad update. Yeah, man, people, you don't know ever since. You don't know what happened the other day with Kman 6ixx and him bridging them. You don't know they was involved in a whole shootout and them thing there. You know, three of him friend them are, three of him friend them get dirt, including a innocent bystander, unfortunately. RIP to those who lost their lives. But yeah, ever since that shootout, you don't know, Plumpy boss and the seven them, they hasn't been shy of making how happy them is for years to some to them Opps. You see me I say, yeah, we don't know whether the seven Plumpy boss or the seven was involved with the shooting, but you don't know if you hear something happen to your Opps or your enemy, you probably gonna be happy as well. So yeah, man, Plumpy boss and the seven them now hasn't been shy of making and say, yo, yeah, man, we were happy for years. That I'm telling. The man even made a crazy post making fun of Kman 6ixx and him friend him that got that one of him friend him that died in the shootout. He made a crazy post on IG. You know, it was basically I'm making fun of him. I say, yo, wake up, or go on. You take Nike or something, dog. Yo, check out the post, gang. Yeah, man, people, I was Plumpy boss. I make fun of K-man, you see me on the road crying. And this on the road crying when one of my friends died in the shootout. You see me, very crazy situation. But Plumpy boss, I'm making say, yo, the man make fun of him. I say, yo, pussy, wake up. I want to tell you, yo, fat pussy, wake up. You take NyQuil or something or DayQuil. I want to go on. You see me, I say, making fun of the man, which is crazy. You see me, seven them now. You see me, you know, making no one say, yo, glad for you seeing them to the Opps. He even made another crazy post the other day. He was like in the studio, and the man say, yo, the man I say, yo, wake up, go there, see. Yo, it's a crazy post, gang. You see me, it's not no laughing matter. Just check it out, see what I go on. Yeah, man, that crazy situation I go on, man. You see me and say very tragic situation, but you don't know the man, you know, my Opps, the man them no business. You see me, man, I laugh at them Opps and I make one say, yo, no business. You see me, we're glad for years to sit now too and them thing. But crazy situation there, cause yo, music we saying and a music one year. You see, we not to want to hear the beefing and fighting music and man of life, but unfortunately that's what's going on right now in Trinidad and music. You see me and say, yeah, man, them dog I say, yo, wake up, dog, I want to go on. Yeah, you take NyQuil or something. You see me and say, yo, it's just been crazy situation between the 6 and the 7, man. Will we ever see peace between these two gangs? We never know. You see me I say, these two music groups, you never know. You see me, would we ever see peace like you see Gaza and Gully eventually make peace? We never know. But a lot of people have been making their comments in the comment section. I say, yo, you don't know a while ago. You see me, once blood spill, there's no end to it. You see me I say, and yeah, I've made it sometime and it's unfortunate. You see me, very unfortunate, but that's true. You see me, when blood spill, you don't know it. Somebody I go want revenge, I want them get back. You see me I say, cause it's like, yo, your people are losing life and you do nothing about it, and you know what I'm saying? So it's crazy situation. We'd like to see peace, but then blood spill, you know what I'm saying? It should have been squashed before he get to them level. Yeah, that should have been solved. Peace should have been sought. You see me, the other day when I heard about the peace treaty, I thought, I felt happy because I was like, yeah, peace treaty that, because I prefer hear collab between these artists than war between them artists. Because, yo, Trinidad got some great talent. There's any man them very talented down there, and yeah, it'd be crazy for them not. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, but it would be get some great music if the man them could collab and work together. But yeah, unfortunate because of how things played out with the loss of life with man like Wacko and Rebel 6. You don't know. J-Man and Fats them there. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's too. Some people are say it's too far gone. It's too late for peace and them thing them, man. And unfortunate. Because I prefer to hear music. You know, we react to a lot of the music over here. There's me about 6 and 7, and they make some good music. And yeah, it's just unfortunate the way the things playing out, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, gang, we're there. You see me, we're there. Over there, watch it, everything and see what go on. We got more updates coming, not only on this, but on music, you know, we got the good and the bad. You see me, I say, so stay tuned, gang. We're there, more updates coming. You see me, we're there, look out and see what go on. You see me, hopefully, you know, no, you know, damn, you know, you will say hopefully nothing else happened, but unfortunately, you don't know anything play out and how the life set away, so we don't only wishful thinking, but we're there, watch us see what go on as updates them come in. I'll give it to y'all. I don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and inshallah love, guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.